Hi there, fellow garden dreamers. Welcome back to Golden Seniors Living, your cozy corner where creativity, frugal wisdom, and outdoor beauty come together in the most unexpected ways. If you're the kind of person who gets excited walking through the dollar store, wondering what treasures you could transform, believes that a stunning garden shouldn't break the bank, or loves the challenge of making something beautiful from almost nothing, you're gonna feel right at home here. Today we're going beyond ordinary fence solutions. We're talking 5 absolutely brilliant dollar store garden fence hacks that look like they cost hundreds but will only set you back a few dollars each. So if you believe like I do that every garden deserves to feel special regardless of your budget, then this one's for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more budget-friendly garden magic right here on Golden Seniors Living. I'm going to show you how to create magical evening ambiance with solar string lights, transform chain link into a lush green paradise, craft chic hanging planters that look designer-made, plus our must-try number 3 that adds artistic flair to any fence. These hacks will have your neighbors asking where you got such expensive-looking garden features. Idea number 1, solar string magic now. If you're like me, and I think you are, you love those peaceful twilight hours in the garden when everything feels just a little more magical. That's where our first brilliant hack comes in, transforming ordinary fence posts into glowing beacons of beauty. All you need are solar-powered string lights from the dollar store. Grab 3 or 4 packs depending on your fence length. Look for the warm white LEDs for that cozy ambiance, or go colorful for festive charm. Total investment: under $12 for lighting that would cost you $60 or more from garden centers. Here's how we create evening enchantment. Start by wrapping the lights around each fence post in a gentle spiral pattern, beginning at the base and working your way up. The key is to keep the spacing even but not too tight. You want that organic flowing look. For lattice fencing, weave the lights through the openings in a random pattern, like nature would scatter fireflies. Now here's the beautiful part. As the sun sets, these lights automatically come to life, casting a warm glow that transforms your entire garden into something straight out of a fairy tale. The solar panels charge during the day, so there's no electricity bill, no timers to set, just pure magical ambiance every single evening. For those of us who treasure quiet moments in our gardens, this lighting creates the perfect atmosphere for morning coffee or evening reflection. It's not just illumination, it's a daily reminder that beauty can bloom even after dark, and that sometimes the simplest touches create the most memorable moments. Idea number 2. The instant lush paradise. Every gardener I know dreams of that established ivy-covered look, but let's be honest, real climbing plants take forever to fill in, and some of us need that lush privacy right now. That's where this clever hack saves the day and transforms even the most industrial-looking fence into a garden paradise. All you need are artificial ivy or moss panels from the dollar store. They've become surprisingly realistic these days. Grab enough panels to cover your desired area, some zip ties and wire cutters for trimming. This transformation costs about $15, but creates the look of mature landscaping that would take years to grow naturally. Let's create instant garden luxury. Start by overlapping the panels slightly for full coverage, securing them to chain link or wooden slats with zip ties. Here's the secret to making it look convincing: vary the placement and don't make it too perfect. Real plants grow organically, so create some areas that are fuller than others. The magic happens when you step back and see how completely this transforms your space. That ugly chain link fence, gone. That weathered wooden barrier, now it's a lush green backdrop that makes every flower in your garden pop with color. Plus it stays green year-round, giving you that established garden feeling even in winter. For those of us who love the look of climbing greenery but don't want the maintenance, pruning, or wait time, these panels deliver instant gratification with lasting beauty. It's the perfect solution for renters or anyone who wants maximum impact with minimal effort. Idea number 3. The designer hanging garden. Now here's something that's going to make your fence look like it belongs in a high-end garden magazine. And trust me, this is the hack everyone's going to want to know about. If you're someone who appreciates that perfect blend of rustic charm and modern elegance, this mason jar transformation is about to become your new obsession. Head to the dollar store and grab mason jars, as many as you want planters. You'll also need metallic spray paint in bronze, copper or gold, some sturdy wire, and small succulents or air plants. This entire project costs under $20 but creates a look that rivals expensive boutique garden features. Let's craft something absolutely stunning. Start by giving your mason jars a light coat of metallic spray paint. Here's the pro tip: don't go for full coverage. Let some of the clear glass show through for that expensive weathered metallic look. Bronze gives you that vintage farmhouse feel, while gold creates modern elegance. While the paint dries, create your hanging system using sturdy wire. Wrap it around the jar rim and create a secure hanging loop. The key is making sure each jar hangs level and feels secure. Nobody wants succulents taking a tumble. Here's where this project becomes pure art: filling and arranging your planters. Succulents are perfect because they're low maintenance and look incredibly sophisticated. Mix different varieties for texture and color. Jade plants, echeveria, string of pearls. The combination of metallic containers and sculptural plants creates that designer boutique look. Hang your planters at varying heights along your fence line for visual interest. The way they catch morning sunlight and cast gentle shadows creates depth and movement that transforms an ordinary fence into a living art installation. This isn't just about adding plants to your fence. It's about creating moments of beauty that make you smile every time you step outside. For those of us who believe our gardens should feel curated and special, these hanging planters prove that luxury is really about thoughtful design, not expensive price tags. Idea number 4. The boho rainbow pattern. Let's be honest, sometimes our gardens need a pop of personality, something that makes visitors smile and reflects our creative spirit. If you're the kind of person who loves color, appreciates handcrafted touches, and believes your outdoor space should be as unique as you are, this rope weaving hack is pure creative joy. All you need are colorful ropes or thick twine from the dollar store. Grab several different colors that speak to you. Maybe ocean blues and seafoam greens for a coastal vibe, or warm corals and sunny yellows for tropical energy. This entire project costs under $10, but creates a custom art installation that would cost hundreds from a designer. Here's how we turn simple rope into fence art. Start by planning your pattern. Geometric diamonds, flowing waves, or even simple horizontal stripes all look stunning. Begin weaving your rope through the fence slats in your chosen design, keeping the tension consistent for clean lines. The beauty of this hack is in the rhythm. There's something wonderfully meditative about weaving these patterns, and the result is a fence that tells your story through color and creativity. Mix warm and cool tones for dynamic contrast, or stick to a monochromatic palette for sophisticated elegance. For those of us who see our gardens as extensions of our personalities, this rope weaving proves that functional elements can be artistic expressions too. It's perfect for adding privacy, visual interest, and that personal touch that makes your space uniquely yours. Idea number 5. The custom art gallery. If you're someone who believes your garden fence should be more than just a boundary, that it should tell a story, inspire daily joy, or reflect your personal style, this stenciling hack transforms ordinary wooden panels into custom artwork that rivals expensive outdoor installations. All you need are stencils from the dollar store craft section, outdoor spray paint, and some painter's tape. Choose patterns that speak to you: elegant damask for sophistication, botanical motifs for garden harmony, or inspirational quotes for daily motivation. This transformation costs under $15, but creates a completely custom look. Let's create your outdoor art gallery. Start by cleaning your fence panels and letting them dry completely. Position your stencil and secure it with painter's tape. This step is crucial for crisp, professional-looking results. Use light, even coats of spray paint, building up the color gradually, rather than trying to cover in one heavy application. Here's where this project becomes truly personal, choosing colors and patterns that reflect your garden's personality. Soft sage creates elegant sophistication, while bold coral adds tropical energy. Consider creating a theme that flows along your fence line, or mix different patterns for eclectic charm. The transformation is absolutely stunning. What was once plain wooden fencing becomes a backdrop that enhances every plant, every season, every moment in your garden. For those of us who see our outdoor spaces as reflections of our inner creativity, this stenciled fence art proves that personal expression blooms in the most unexpected places. And there you have it, 5 absolutely brilliant ways to transform your garden fence, from basic to breathtaking, using nothing more than dollar store treasures and your creative spirit. From magical evening lighting, to lush green walls, chic hanging planters, to vibrant rope art and custom stencil designs, each hack proves that stunning garden features are about imagination, not budget. Because gardening isn't just about plants, it's about creating spaces that make us smile, reflect our personalities, and prove that beauty can bloom anywhere when we approach it with creativity and heart. These fence transformations represent everything we believe in here at Golden Seniors Living. That resourcefulness beats expensive shopping, that personal touches create the most meaningful spaces, and that the most beautiful gardens grow from love and creativity, not credit cards. So next time you're at the dollar store, remember those simple supplies might just be your next garden masterpiece, waiting to happen. Thanks for joining us here on Golden Seniors Living. If you try any of these fence hacks, share your results in the comments. I love seeing your creative interpretations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more budget-friendly garden magic. And share this with someone who loves proving that beautiful doesn't have to be expensive. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and remember, the most stunning gardens are built with imagination, not invoices. Happy gardening!